Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I am going to show you how to tweet on Twitter. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up your Twitter app on your mobile. Once you're in, click on the tweet button. It's this blue button with a plus icon located at the bottom right corner. Then again, click on the blue button with a feather icon. Now when you click on it, a new window will open up and you're ready to start composing your tweet. Let me show you what happens when you go over the character limit. As you type, you'll see the character count decreasing. Once you hit the limit, Twitter will start counting into negatives, and the excess characters will be highlighted. So, keep it concise. After you've composed your tweet, you'll see an option to control who can reply to your tweet. Click on the box that says Everyone can reply to customize your preferences. You can choose from everyone, only people you follow, or only people mentioned in the tweet. Once you've set your preferences, just click on the Post button at the top right corner. And there you go. Your tweet is now live on Twitter. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.